What's up, lovely people? Welcome to my YouTube channel in UX World, where we are going to talk about quantitative and qualitative research, what they are, how to use them, and most importantly, why to use them. So let's start it. So why do developer and designer needs to know different type of research? Research, both qualitative and quantitative, is a key building of a great product. Without measuring the result of our work through like analytics, A/B testing, qualitative research, and host of other methods, we really can't understand the impact that our changes are having on the end user. Qualitative research is about observing and listening to people. So it includes things like usability testing, customer development interviews, and in-context studies where you might observe somebody using a product in their natural environment. There are a ton of types of qualitative research, but you can tell if the research is qualitative. It involves talking to people or observing real human behavior. Qualitative research or qualitative interview generally help us to understand their mental model, what they want, and how we can achieve them. It will not be statistical significant different. It generally understand human or user's mental model. And now we're gonna talk about quantitative research method. Quantitative research is often preferred method of engineers. It includes things like A/B testing, funnel matrices, etc. It always statistically significant, and it never really involves talking to human, and it all about related to the data. So which type of research method we should choose? As a general rule, quantitative research will tell you exactly what is happening with your product, while quantitative research will tell you why it's happening. So quantitative research is what and qualitative research is why. If you use both of these together, you will get enough amount of information about both your product and user, and you can come up with some great ideas about how to make it better. Now I'm gonna explain both the methods with a real-time example. Suppose e-commerce giant Amazon.com observed that some of the users are dropping before the checkout process. So in that case, how we are gonna solve the problem? First, we need to understand how many peoples and what type of peoples they are. And second, why they are dropping before the checkout process. In this scenario, quantitative research like survey will help us to understand about how many and which categories of people are dropping before checkout, and to know the reason why they are doing such kind of things. Qualitative research like contextual inquiry will help us to understand the reason. Now we know how many people and why they are dropping before checkout process, and then we need to redesign based on our solution by the research. And next we need to validate or test our design like A/B testing, just to check how efficient our new design is compared to the old one, and repeat the loop until getting the proper result. And finally, I'll summarize the whole video in a short. We have identified what the problem is with quantitative research, and then we have got an idea of why the problem is happening with qualitative research. But then we actually use quantitative research to confirm that we fixed the problem. And the main thing is you have to conduct both the research at a time, then you will get proper data. So hope it helps for you, and please feel free to ask me any question related to this topic in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching this video. Take care and bye.